A black screen. I'm not sure if you can see me or not, but yes, we are back for our weekly live stream, and today we're going to be talking about the crypto drama that's going on, what's going on with FTX, why I think it's an overreaction, which I think I spelled wrong in the title. Plus, I'll be answering your crypto questions like I do every week. Now, if you're new here, my name is Paul. Welcome. And if you like cryptopreneurship, if you like short videos that get straight to the point, live streams, interviews with some of the most successful people around the world and pioneers in crypto, then please go ahead, subscribe down below, hit the notification button so you don't miss the next video, because it might be something that's interesting you. Right now I'm seeing Johnny Midas in the chat. I'm seeing Steven Garima, I'm seeing Gravity Blast, I'm seeing Rene Montenegro, and I'll get to your questions soon. Please feel free, put your questions in the chat so I will answer them, and I will be answering them. And please let me know if you can hear me and see me, because I'm looking at the subscriber count. It looks like we had a little bit of a technical difficulty in the beginning, but I'm not sure. So let me know. Can you view me? No one's answering. So I'm not even sure what's going on. I'm going to have to check myself, I guess. Let me just check real quick. I hate doing this. It looks like, I feel like Tone Vase lately. I can never get the camera and sound right, but okay. I love his analysis, but he can never get the camera right. It's like whatchamacallit? It's like a curse. Sorry, one second. Let's see if this works. So yeah, so it's working great. So you can see me, you can hear me. Since none of you can be bothered to answer, well, it doesn't matter. It's okay. I forgive you. Still love you. Anyway, I also see Marco Franco, and I see Thanusain Rajpuhit, maybe. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. So let me tell you what's going on here. Let me tell you my thesis, why I think there's too much crypto, why I think there's crypto drama, and why I think all this FTX is an overreaction. All this drama about FTX it's just too much. Let me explain, okay? And hear me out here. It's very important. This thing is supposed to be bigger than Mount Gox, right? It's supposed to be tenfold or something like this. Yet the markets, the way they reacted to this, not even close. Not even close. Now, I'm not saying it can't get worse. I'm not saying it can't cause a chain reaction. But think about it. We're holding my support levels, which I called, which means there's buying power there. I'm not saying it can't go lower. Again, I'm stressing this. We might have one more leg down. We might have another capitulation candle like the one we had, which is great, by the way. I think the fact that it went down so fast and hit support, I think is great for the price as price action. That's what you want to see before a bull run, or before it starts slowly going up before a bull run, right? So in that sense, it's good. Now, I'm not saying what happened is great. I'm not a fan of Sam. I was never a fan of FTX. I even talked against it. I said it's going to probably do good in the next bull run, but let's see if it exists in the next bull run. People gave me a lot of shit for that, by the way. But and I'm not saying I predicted this, by the way, but far from it. Far from it. And I didn't, and even with technical analysis, I expected a drop, but not this much. So, and that's so fast. Let me get that straight away. Let me get that out the way. But that's the thing, right? You'd expect for so much drama, for the severity of this, for the drop to be so much more. Like, it should have broken support, if that. I mean, we had bigger drops in bull markets. I mean, a 30-40% correction is nothing for Bitcoin, yet we didn't even see that with this news, with this play. So that gives me confidence in this market. Now, another thing I want to show you real quick, we actually had a flash crash in cryptocurrency back in the day. It was $2, went all the way to $32. I think it was 2011, right? And we flash crashed to 0.01 cent. 0.01 cent. You comprehend this, right? And don't forget, during the Mt. Gox crash, when this happened, we dropped 36%. So What happened after? It recovered. We went back up. Sure, it might take a while, but guess what? It coincides with the timing of the markets where we slowly go up, which we said last year after September. That's what's going to happen. We're going to see a bottom, and we're going to slowly go up until next year, where we should see a bull run. This is my thesis. It's been my thesis for a year and a half. Talked about it on here. Talked about it on BitBoy Crypto's channel multiple times, called 17K, actually it's at 20K if we break that with a drop candle down to 17K. We saw that. I even said if we break 17K, I see 15.6K. There's videos out there to prove that. They're on BitBoy Crypto's channel. It's all falling in place. Now, could this change? Yes, of course it can. But so far it's falling in place. This is not but this is not the capitulation you would expect from this news. It just isn't. Think about it. Look at the price. Compare. It just isn't. Now, another thing I need to say, I think it's actually good that this happened, not to the people, obviously, and the people affected, but I think it's good that Sam and FTX is out the picture. They're gone. It's done. You know, I was watching a video earlier on BitBoy Crypto's channel, right here, called Crypto Conspiracy Confirmed. FTX caused every crash this year, and he really goes into it. Yes, awesome. Get the fuck out of crypto, you know, Sam, and FTX with your shorting and your Celsius and all that bull crap, you know, and all your government fucking partnerships and all that shit, and let's regulate crypto more. Get out the space. This is good for the market. This is the cleanup we're waiting before the next bull run. This can be a catalyst for the next bull run. Everyone's talking about how bearish it is. No, it's actually bullish for the space. Yes, we can go down lower. Maybe there's a chain reaction. Maybe. But this is what we wanted to see. Capitulation. We wanted to see people getting out. We wanted to see projects close. This is what's happening. Right? This is what's happening. And I'm also putting a video out very soon about how whales may have manipulated this, and the whales may have been the reason for Sam to get out and FTX to get out and all these bad players to get out, because that's what the space needs. The whales are winning. The whales are winning here. Don't think they're not for crypto. They love crypto. They love Bitcoin, at least the big ones, right? And they might seem they're against you a lot, and they might, yes, of course, they'll take money from you, no problem. They don't have a problem with that. But they want this space to survive more than anybody, right? So you have to understand that this crypto drama, this FTX, is an overreaction, price-wise. I think it's bullish for the market. I think all these people causing drama, telling you, oh, it's the end of crypto, and oh my God, this is so bad, and Bitcoin at 3K. I think they're delusional. And I don't think they see the bigger picture. That's my theory. If you just joined the stream, make sure you watch it from the beginning so you understand what I'm talking about. Like this video if you agree, or like this video if this made you think. Like this video if this made you think. I'm looking at 38 people watching this live stream right now. 14 likes. Seriously? Like this video if this made you think, and subscribe down below, and let me get straight to the chat and answer your questions. Because that's what we do here. I like answering your questions. By the way, what do you think of my little Christmas tree, my office Christmas tree there? I know, it's a cute one. Small. I think I need a ball. There's something missing right there. I think there's a little place right there. Maybe I have to put something in there. Anyway, got my little Christmas tree up. Got a Christmas tree in the living room, a big one, about 2-point-something meters. I went with my girlfriend today. Well, yesterday we got it. We put it up today because I'll probably be in hospital in the next few days, and I'll be in hospital, for those of you that know, for 20 to 30 days. If everything goes well, I'll get home after that. And yeah, we won't have a chance to do everything, so we put it up a little early. And I'm thinking about putting some gifts under here for you, by the way. So we're going to do a lot of gifts, a lot of giveaways this year. God willing, I'm okay. And I can do streams. I'm going to have a lot of gifts. I already have a few to give out. And yeah, I think it'll be pretty cool. And maybe we do something cool where we can give out things towards Christmas as well, like 12 days. We'll give one gift every day, or one every, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we will do this. So let's go look at the chat. Stephen Grimes saying hi from Australia. What's up down under? I see Gravity Blast saying, I'm curious to see what you think. It's not that bad. I'll just explain that. But thank you for being here. Really appreciate you. I see Marco Frasco saying, yes, sir, we can hear you. Thank you very much. Somebody actually said so. I see Thanusai saying hi, greetings, what's up, my man? Ali L saying, hey, how are you, brother? Love, man. I'm the first like. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate you. I see Johan Verdon saying, hi, Paul. I'm turning on the air conditioner because it's hot as shit in here. I'm from India. What's up? Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Love India, by the way. Very good culture there. Mr. Blue saying, homie. What's up, homie? What's up, my man? What's up, baby? What's up, partner? Yeah, I've got like a little bit more energy, by the way. And by the way, I made it so that when I'm in hospital, you'll still see my videos. I actually recorded 10 videos. I have another 10 to record and edit. And then what I'll do is I'll schedule them. So they'll be coming out and I'll be doing updates from shorts. Not from shorts, sorry, from stories. So stories, just in case you don't know, if you go to your phone, stories show up for 7 days and vanish. And that's where I'll be doing updates. They can only last 15 seconds, but I'll be updating you and doing polls from hospital if everything is okay. And I'll have videos coming out, so you'll get to see. And I got some videos for you. Oh my God, I have so many really awesome videos. Some are really funny, by the way. It made me laugh in editing, so you're gonna enjoy that. So yeah, I worked pretty hard doing what I did, especially under the conditions. Now I have more energy now, but as a lot of you know, I didn't for a while, man. I had like quite a few problems. What else do we have? Can we reach 12K or 6K? Look, it's possible to reach everything. The thing is it probable, right? So Ali, I was calling for 17K, and if we broke that, 15.6, and we're in that range. If the range breaks from 15K, actually my bet with Gareth Soloway was 15 to 17K. That's what I said. He said 10 to 12K. If we break 15K, we're looking at 12 to 14K range, roughly, right? It's possible. Everything's possible. The thing is it probable? If no more news comes out or chain reactions, I don't think we're going to go much lower. And even if we do, it's going to be a wick and a quick recovery. This is my honest opinion. This is my opinion. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm looking at. So far, my TA has worked out. I mean, since, 2 years, right? We even called the double top in the bull market. But, things can go wrong. Things can go south, and you have to be prepared for that. We're going a lot lower, says Rene Montenegro. Okay, let's see. I love your channel. Thank you very much, Ali. I really appreciate you. Do you think bull run will start in 2023? I said that the bull run will start after September, and we'll see price confirmation in the first quarter of 2023. So in 2023, through hindsight, we'll see that the bull market started in September. And yes, bull markets go like this. It's fine. But we would have seen the bottom. And in 2023, people are going to start saying it towards the end of this year. In 2023, people are going to start saying it, which is what's happening. I said this last year, 1 year ago. 1 year ago. Let's see. All working, thank you very much. Working. Gravity Blast saying stack cash and get ready for dump low prices. Very possible. This is great for the decentralized currency narrative in the long run. Yes, it is. And not only that, I think everyone should hold cash, not just to buy cryptocurrency, have dry powder for that, but also anything like you can buy Rolexes cheaper and so on. We even talked about that last year, that having cash while everyone needs to sell or is in fear, you can buy things a lot cheaper, right? We'll see though. I think that crypto is going to surprise a lot of people. It's not going to go as low as you think, or at least it's not going to stay as low as you think for long. When you start buying alts, not yet. When there's a confirmed trend change in Bitcoin and we know there's a bull market, that's when you usually start buying alts. Now you can start buying alts now because it is towards the end of a bear market. That's what I was telling you. Never buy in a bear market. Buy it towards the end of a bear market. It's about 6 months, within 6 months of it. That's what's happening right now. So yes, also good to be starting to get slowly into. Right, slowly into, but it's better to actually wait for a trend change. So not right now, but slowly get into it over time as you see if we have support or more dumps or past certain resistances, and you'll get it. I usually make videos calling this, by the way. this FTX debacle is good for Ethereum and Bitcoin, of course, because at the end of the day, it shows that Bitcoin is king and people start understanding it too, and also shows that people should take care more, it brings out different narratives that people forget. Cardano is very safe and not insolvent. I don't know. In the FTX shit, involved in the FTX shit and Alameda like Polygon and Solana. Yeah, okay, but that's not. Is it Polygon's and Solana's fault if somebody buys them? Just because somebody didn't buy Cardano? I mean, yeah, okay, they're not involved. How are they not involved? Why are they not involved? Hey, Paul, looking good. Thank you very much. Patricia, really appreciate you. We actually have a girl on the channel. Pretty cool. We have a few. I think we have like 3 to 5 here. Something like that. How long are you attached with the crypto market? About since 2017, man. But you have to understand, it's not that I was just a trader or attached to the cryptocurrency market. I knew about it before. I was telling everyone to buy. I actually work in crypto. I mean, I'm a C-level executive. I've worked as a CMO of different companies. I made my own project, founded my own project, like BitBull's Metaverse project. You can check it out, bitbulls.io. I was an advisor, consultant for many companies. I did public speaking. I've written several books. Half of them are in blockchain. So I've been involved deeply and heavily in cryptocurrencies. Not just that I started trading or started a YouTube channel in 2017 or something. How do you see the direction of Bitcoin and Ethereum? Up, baby. Up, Patricia. Right? Now, if it's going to be now or later on when it starts going up, I don't know. But over time, generally, it will go up. That's my view. That's my opinion. Thoughts on Metiscoin? It's a layer 2. I have no thoughts about it. Don't know about it. Not the right time to look at things like this. God bless you for a speedy recovery. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Stay strong and have faith always. Amen. My brother, Mr. Blue says, I slept my limits for 15K, 15,500, 16K, 16,500. And that's what I told people to do. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you probably made some awesome buy-ins. And if you did that last time as well, that we dropped to 17,500 where I said to put in buy orders, you'll be doing great. And if you took profits at 21K when we didn't break 21.5 like I told everyone, you'd be buying with just pure profits right now. So you're doing great. That's awesome, Mr. Blue. Awesome. Gravity Blast says, I like seeing all your videos with you and Gareth. You guys seem like genuine friends. Makes me happy. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Gareth is a great guy, man. We have some great talks. How high Bitcoin next bull run? Probably 84 to 140K, but let's see. I agree. You basically now betting on how bad the FTX contagion gets and place your bets accordingly. Awesome. FTX is only drama if you see all coin price, all are at low of December. Yeah, okay, that's great. That's a bull market and it's December 2020 and guess what? We're 2022. Look at the cycles and see what price actions each cycle has. It's not that different. History repeats itself. As a matter of fact, if you want to take it a step further, this is one of the videos I'm putting out. Mt. Gox happened, what, 10 years ago? Was it 10 years ago? 2004, and right now the same thing is happening, bigger of course, but you know, Bitcoin grew a lot more since then as well. FTX is doing the same thing. It's becoming insolvent like Mt. Gox, and guess what? Same thing is happening. History is repeating itself, or it's rhyming. This shit happens. Cycles happens. History repeats itself. Do you see this? Anyway, more about that in the video I'm putting out. What's at stake for your bet with Gareth? Oh, just $100 is a friendly bet. Friendly bet. But you have to understand that he's putting a 10, 12K target at the time. I was putting 15 to 17K target. So far, I'm winning. This will have to be at the end of the year. So if it goes like lower in January, it doesn't matter. I won the bet. It's $100. But you have to understand, even though we have different targets, we're both doing exactly the same thing. We're both buying at the same levels. So it's just a matter of bottom calling, if you will. Yeah, narratives in the retail market, Gravity Blast, that happens every time there's a major hack. What happened? Have you seen OneCoin, for example? And again, have you seen Mt. Gox? I bet you in 10 years, we'll be trying to see how many people can get their money from FTX, just like now it's Mt. Gox and people saying, oh, they're going to dump everything on the market. Come on, see this. See this. See this. See the fact that history repeats itself. It's going to help you as a better investor. When we go up, I'm not a prophet. I'm not Nostradamus. This is not crypto Nostradamus. This is crypto factor, right? It's not the Nostradamus factor. But for me, we're going to slowly go up. We might have one more drop, but we're going to slowly be going up from now on, or at least going sideways. We might have a little bit of drama along the way, but generally, I think we're going to start going up from here. Like, sub, I agree. Like that. By the way, something very important right after you like this video is always remember this.
Hey guys, I'm Briefitans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Briefitans.
There you go. Remember that. Don't forget that. Armzilla, my man. Good morning, Paul. What's up? Patricia says, thanks for the input. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, Patricia, and thank you for your questions. Thank you for being here. It's awesome. Every single one of you, by the way. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate these live streams. I love them. They keep me going. What's up with Cosmos? Now, should I hold it? Sampat, I can't tell you what to do with the cryptocurrency, but I'm actually staking my Cosmos. Now, I bought at the dip, and then I sold a little bit with a small profit. In bear markets, you should take profit fast if you're trading, by the way. Not if you invest in, it's a different thing. And I even made a video about that that's coming out, and one that came out. But generally, I'm staking my Cosmos, just so you know. I have a little bag of Cardano too, so do I. Altcoin season when, which month? Let's wait for Bitcoin to have a bullish trend first, shall we? You heard about Multiverse X. I have not. Solid S, I have not. And not sure where it is. If you have any more questions, hit them, put them in the chat. Let me answer your questions. By the way, if you haven't already, check out this. Like, if you go to my YouTube channel real quick, let me show you something. Just so you guys know. Right, this is my YouTube channel. These are playlists. These are my short videos. These are 60-second videos that get straight to the point, right? Now, here are my videos with this is the Crypto Factor podcast. This interviews some pioneers and successful people in crypto about their success, what they've done in their life, and basically you should check out this playlist. Now over here, you might not see all of them, but if you actually click the playlist, you'll see that there's actually a lot of videos here, right? With a lot of leaders in the space, so check them out. Then you can see the videos, you can see different crypto talks raw, NFTs talk, the NFT sellers course, but generally you can go to my videos right here, and you can see the videos that I put out lately. Check out these videos. There's so much here. You can even go to shorts if you prefer short videos, 60-second videos that go straight to the point. Check them out here. Make sure you look at the dates, by the way. I get a lot of people commenting, telling me, oh, look at this teenage, and oh, you're wrong, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but look at the date. These are last year's videos, and actually they did age well, most of them anyway. So yeah, you can check out the short videos here, and you can even check out the live streams here. Now, if you go to the community tab, you'll see updates. You'll see different updates here that you may want to see. I do a lot of polls. I do a lot of quick trading, what I'm doing. Make sure you have to subscribe, by the way, in order to see this. And you have to hit the bell notification button. You can also become a member here if you want to support the channel. You get different perks and you get to see some member posts. There's a store we have. There's so much stuff to check out here. And at the end of the day, you can always go to the website, my website. And if you want to support the channel, hope you're not getting bored here, but you can see my books, what books I've actually released. I'm not sure why it's not loading right now, but you can check out the books I've written. Let me just refresh that real quick. Give me a second. Someone's probably watching the internet inside. But yeah, these are different books I've written. But there's also affiliate links right here if you want to support the channel, which are also not showing up right now for some strange reason. Hope the live stream is still running. But yeah, you can check out my affiliate links here. and maybe you want to support. There's different exchanges, there's different things. There you go. There's Binance, and there's different people I am affiliated to. Don't know why it's not loading. I don't know why it's so slow right now, but it does feel like it's loading. It might take some while for it to load the first time you go to the website, but after that, it's going to be super fast. So anyway, just wanted to win some time and get more questions in the chat, which pretty much worked. I have more questions in the chat. I think this is a great opportunity for new investors to start. I think so too, because your risk-reward ratio is pretty low. Because let's put it this way. Let's say you buy now. Let's say you buy 17K. Let's say you buy 18K, right? Even if it goes down to 10, 12K, the upside to 100K is so much bigger, right? So it's actually worth it. So it's a great time for new investors. It's a great time for old investors to put more investment in as well. Gareth Soloway said Bitcoin can drop to 3,500. What's your opinion? I have a bet with Gareth Soloway. Well, it can. It could always go down lower. It can go to 1,000. But let me put it this way. If Bitcoin goes to 3,000, Bitcoin's done. It's gone. It breaks every cycle. It's probably going to die. So I don't think it's going to get down there. Everything's possible. The thing is it probable? And I don't think so. But yeah, there's always a chance. Hey, Paul, love your work. Keep up the great work. Question, what's the best stablecoin? I use USDC. Some say BUSD is better right now. As my dog is bowing for some strange reason there. What's up, Bobby? Okay. So it all depends. I use USDC. I also have a mix. Sometimes I have USDT. I have BUSD depending on what I'm doing with them. Mostly I use USDC, but yeah, you can use, it's good to diversify between the stablecoins in my opinion. Johan, he said that's worst case. Oh yeah, worst case. Well, worst case. Good morning, Factor. What's up, Joshua? Multiverse X is Elrond's new name. Not sure if you... yeah, of course I heard about Elrond. Not the right time to buy right now. In my opinion, altcoins, we still need some time for them. I made a couple of videos. I did make some videos talking about how it's a good time to start dabbing in slowly. And yes, that could be the case. But yeah, getting deeper into the altcoin forest, not the right time right now, in my opinion. But it will be soon, so be very careful. Johan Vorden, okay. I'm very much impressed with your videos and saw them in a thank you so much, man. Well, you didn't see all of them in a week because I have over 300. I think I have much more than 300. As a matter of fact, give me a second here. I have so much more than 300. I think I have like something like 850, so I'm pretty sure you haven't seen them all. I thought BlockFi was going to process my Ethereum transfer. Guess not. I don't know what... I was warning against BlockFi. I was warning against Celsius. I swear to you, if you watch my videos, I was warning all about putting your custody on other exchanges just for reward and yield before anyone else. I was just saying, no, do not do it. I would never put my Bitcoin or anything else and give people control. And this is where I was talking about SafeMoon Exchange. I was saying I would never put my money on BlockFi, let alone SafeMoon Exchange, and I got in trouble for that. People, oh, yeah, SafeMoon, fun. Well, see what happens. Sorry, that's a car alarm or something. Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Phantom, and Polygon are in my portfolio. Sorry if you had Phantom. Oh, Phantom's okay, I guess. What should I remove or add more of? I think Bitcoin should be in your portfolio, but I think you should take profits into Bitcoin and not actually buy Bitcoin unless you really need to. Also Ethereum, I think Ethereum should be in there. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Dude, you gotta chill with the self-promotion. Okay, I'll try. I guess maybe that might be. But you know what? I never really self-promote that much. I've been doing it lately because I'm sick and tired of... You know what? You're absolutely right. But this channel, right, there's so much I've said. So much that I warned against. And it's just a shame. It's just a shame. And I just think more people... I wish more people heard me. But yes, you're absolutely right. But are you talking about my website and everything? I never promote it. It's very rare I promote it. Like I have a free YouTube channel. I'll give you free advice. I do free everything, and yeah, I promote some stuff. I mean, come on. Like this is a business, right? As well as I do it for love. I do it to help people. Everyone knows my mission. Everyone knows why I started. But come on, like if I'm not making money from this or some money from this, maybe in the future. How do you know I can keep doing this, right? Don't you want me to keep on doing this? I mean, think about it that way. This is the No Nonsense channel. Thank you very much, Johan. Biggie Smalls, what's up, man? Haven't seen you for a while. How low do you think Ethereum can go? As you know, I don't price how low or how high things can go in bear markets except Bitcoin. I just don't, because I use Bitcoin as a lead indicator, and then when I see Bitcoin go to its lowest or highest, then I play off of that. Once we get into a bull market or there's a trend change, then we can start talking about other coins. Do you use a ledger for your crypto? Great question. This one's actually sealed. Which one? This one. I might actually give this one away. I use ledgers. I have bullet wallets. I have a whole bunch of wallets here. I have new wallets up over there. I'm not going to go get them right now. I'll be doing videos about them too. But yeah, Ledger is one of my favorites. Ledger is my favorite, actually, my main one. But I also use Exodus.io. I missed the start. Interested in your health. How are you? I'm doing okay. Getting ready. Well, I finished my chemotherapy cycles and I'm getting ready for CAR T therapy next week. In a few days, actually. I'm probably going to go in hospital. All that's going to take a while and it's going to be dangerous. But hey, it is what it is. But I do have my energy back, which is great, or at least most of it. Thank you very much, Biggie Smalls. BKS Fly. More capitulation and regulation than rise or non-factor. Thanks for all you do. We don't know. It depends if this causes a chain reaction or not, but I don't think we're going to go too much lower than this regardless. I got my Bitcoin alt earlier, thank God. Well done, Joshua. I love this channel. Thank you so much, old lady in crypto. Really appreciate you. Much respect, bro. Thank you very much. You explained very well. Thank you very much. Love your videos and feed. What do you think of XRP? I hold less than 5,000. Look, XRP is one of my... I was holding XRP since 2017, sold when the time was right before SEC. I even said so, sold the top. And yeah, I'm self-promoting again, so I'll just be careful. Made a lot of calls on XRP. Started buying XRP again on the lows. And I think accumulating XRP for the next bull market is a good thing. But very slowly. I'm not in a rush. When XRP wins the SEC case, it's not going to go up in a straight line. It's just not. And even if it does, let's say it goes to, because I want to get this out the way, I want to explain something to people. Let's say your coin, any coin, doesn't matter whether it's XRP, Bitcoin, whatever. Let's say you buy it at $100. And let's say it goes down 90%. So it's now worth $10, right? How much do you think it needs to go up to reach $100 again? Let me make it easier. If you have $100, it's worth $100, loses 50%, it's now worth $50. How much does it need to go up to reach $100 again? Most people think it needs to go up 50%. No, it needs to go up 100%. Because 100 minus 50, 50% is $50. But if you go up 50%, it's $75. If you need to go up 100% just to break even. If it goes down 90%, you need to at least 10x, right? So basically, or 5x. So do the math. So basically, people get this wrong. So let's say XRP, the news comes out, the SEC, they win, everything's great, and it goes up 100%. From 30 cents, it's going to go to 60 cents. So what? And it's always going to go back down. It's always going to go back down to meet support at, let's say, 40 cents, 45 cents. So you have time to buy. So there's no rush. So why not wait? Do you know what I mean? Oh, it's going to be too late. Once you buy, once XRP wins, it's going to shoot up. No, it's not going to go up 20,000x in one day. It's just not. You have to understand this. Are there a video on your channel on how to use the ledger? No, there isn't, but I should make one maybe when I get back out of the hospital. Question about your portfolio. What percentage is BTC? Most of it. Maybe 60, 70% of it. Maybe more. Do you think Solana will recover? Yes, I think Solana will recover. This is my opinion. Solana was one of my favorite projects, not because it's decentralized. I just believe in Solana because it's got a nice niche and a nice investment background and so on. Yes, it's in trouble and everything, but again, look at the Solana price. Do you actually think it reflected the drama? I don't think so. It really didn't. It should have gone down a lot more. No, it hasn't. So it's keeping up strong. People are buying it. I don't think it's going anywhere. I can be wrong. But let's just say Solana, if it goes down more, I'll be buying the shit out of it. Can you give quick dive into cold versus hot wallets? Yeah, let me tell you. A hardware wallet, a cold wallet, is a wallet that's on let's say, it looks like a USB sort of stick, right? And you control it through there. A hot wallet is the same thing, but it sits online. MetaMask, for example, Exodus.io. Both are great. Both are good. I keep most of my stuff on a ledger, for example, a cold wallet. I have another wallet like Exodus.io where I used to put in and out amounts, medium amounts, let's put it that way. And then I use MetaMask for DeFi and everything else I do online as well. And also I have like 20 wallets, right? Why do I have 20 wallets? Well, hack protection. And you have different emails on each one of them. Not the email you use, not the business email, not an email that they can find, nothing. And that way you become a lot safer. And even if they do hack you, which is very hard if you have everything in place and you have different email addresses, then even if they do, they'll only get it from one wallet and not like wipe out your whole shit. Well, downside of hot wallets, if you have your 24 recovery key and you keep good practices, you should be okay with a hot wallet. You'll have no problem. Same thing with a hardware wallet. If you lose it, if you have your key phrase, you'll be okay. Just do good practices. Thanks so much. Love your input. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. B Germ retracted the message. Don't know what that is. Johan, thumbs up. Yeah, my man. Put the thumbs up, baby. Biggie Smalls, I have limit orders on Binance Exchange ready for BTC orders. That's really cool, man. That's a good idea. Considering the current climate, do you think this is safe? Well, you have no choice. If you want to put lower, in orders, that's what you can do. You're going to use an exchange. I do the same thing. I think Binance is one of the best exchanges, by the way, in my opinion. Also, CoinMetro is a really good exchange, fully licensed and regulated. Bybit is a great exchange as well because they don't have their own tokens, so they're a lot safer. And again, if you want to support the channel and if you want to subscribe, if you want to an exchange, the ones I use and recommend are on my channel. Please, it'll help me out a lot if you go to the cryptofactor.net. See, I don't know why my site's not loading. For some strange reason, this is not normal. I'll fix it right after this stream. But if you go to this cryptofactor.net and you go to affiliates, there's KuCoin, there's Binance. Down here should be somewhere over here should be Bybit. But yeah, if you can do that, I would really appreciate you. It helps out the channel. And yeah, you also get bonuses on each one of these, by the way. Thanks so much. Love your input. Can someone check out my website? Can someone go to cryptofactor.net and tell me if it loads? To all the people who give this guy a thumbs up, surprise, only 31,000 subscribers. I think it's 33,000 subscribers, no? Am I mistaken? And yes, I wish I had more subscribers, by the way. I love, 33,170. Not bad at all. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin price. The daily candle looks like, okay, there's your capitulation. Okay. We're looking okay. We could go up from here. We still have a lot to see. But it does look like we can go up here, break 18,000, right? By the way, to know a trend change, a safe trend change to tell us that you're going back in the upside right now is 21.5K. We need to break 21.5K to turn bullish. If we break that, awesome. Until we break that, you have a range from the lows, what is it, 16,000? 16,021K, where you can actually trade as a swing trader because it's a pretty big channel. Now, there will be smaller channels within those, but I need to study the charts to find them. But yeah, if you're a swing trader, that's your play right now. You buy at 16K, let's say 17K, until that breaks. If it goes lower, we'll reevaluate, but you buy down to the low of that channel and you sell close to 21K. Breaks 21.5K, breaks out, comes down, makes its support, confirms, for a few days to a week, it starts going up, right? That's when we turn bullish. That's when the trend change, the main big trend change will happen, in my opinion. Gotta drink some water. Give me a second. website works, it's just really slow. Let me have a look at something real quick. Don't know why it's slow. Yeah, I don't know why it's slow. I'm not gonna fix it now. But yeah. Went to your website, works fine. Have we capitulated? Well, yeah, we capitulated the first time we went out to 17K as well. We capitulated now. We might have some further capitulation. Capitulation is a range, guys. It's not a price. It's a range. And depending on how fast and dramatic the drop is, that's how you can tell. So we're in the capitulation range, regardless. Like, it might go down more, sure. But we have capitulated in theory until proven otherwise. Let's see. Do we have any more questions? Do we have anything in the chat? There you go. Your crypto captain. Hey, Paul, you are my favorite crypto influencer, but thank you very much. Really appreciate you, man. I have huge respect for you. By the way, I have a crypto channel too. Let's check it out. Let's check out your channel. Give me a second. How do we do this? Pin message. Why can't I picture you? Okay, I guess I could just have you used to be able to click someone's name and go to their channel. Let me just highlight your name here real quick. Let me check out your channel. There you go. Your crypto captain. Awesome, dude. If it's in English, let me have a look.
It's been a mad day for crypto. I'm the first YouTuber here to...
It's in English, I'm subscribing. So I can check it out. Personalized. I always do personalized. So yeah, you got your crypto shorts here. You got videos here. Awesome. Oh, I'm going to be checking out these videos, man. We do a lot of shorts. Cool. I like shorts. I like looking shorts. They're fast. You're doing good. You're getting good views on your shorts, bro. No shirt factor here. Whenever I do one without a shirt, because that was something I used to call the no shirt factor, just for fun. Yeah, man, everyone check out Your Crypto Captain's channel here. Let's see if we can get him to at least 3,000 subscribers, maybe 4,000 subscribers. Let's give him a boost, guys. Come on. And then you can always unsubscribe if you don't like it, right? Just like this channel. You can subscribe to this channel. Then if you don't like what you hear, you can unsubscribe. Well, same thing with that channel. Check it out. Did I show everybody the channel? Yeah, I did. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to push the button again. All these influencers that were sponsored and shilling FTX, what are your views? Should they apologize? Well, they just didn't know. A lot of huge investors and huge players got into FTX. Now, I didn't like FTX. I never used FTX. I never had an affiliate link on FTX. I just didn't. But I don't know. Maybe I got lucky. Maybe I saw some things other people didn't see. But you can't blame them. I mean, FTX, a lot of people got fooled. A lot of people. I even said it's going to do well in the next bull market if it survives. I know that sounds weird, as if it was like I was kind of like, if it survives. I know that sounds like very prophetic and everything of me. But it was a lucky call on my side. It's the same view I have for all altcoins in bear markets. Do you know what I mean? What is confirmed? I explained it, Ali. When you pass a certain resistance, you go back down, you meet it, goes back up, stays back up for a couple of days to a week, depending on your time frame. That's confirmed. Most people don't look at that. Best gaming coin. Mana or Sand? Do you know a 1000X coin? At this point, right now, no. Neither does anyone else. It's all luck and speculation. Imagine the lead up to Bitcoin halving, and after the halving itself, it takes a further leg down and doesn't live up to everyone's expectations. Yeah, that can happen. It might break at some point. Doesn't mean it's going to do it forever. Maybe we'll have it's kind of hard because if there's two things that can happen with Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin right now. Either it's going to be classified as a store of value, as gold, for example, and move like gold, but like on bigger momentum, as it would, and decouple from the stock market, or it's going to act like a high risk asset or tech stock. So it's going to depend on the economy, not on the economy, but the cycles, the market cycles, right? Because the economy is something different. You can have a bad economy and a bullish cycle. That's another thing people don't tell you and don't understand. Things can go to shit in the economy, but the market's going up like crazy. So, and it's happened many, many, many times. So what happens is it will follow it more or less. So either way, it should go up with the market. Okay. Now, if it goes up tenfold or fivefold or twofold, doesn't matter. So for it to do something very different, kind of hard, maybe temporary, but not permanently, if that makes sense. So we might have an anomaly. That's what I'm saying. Sorry, joining. What's up, Paul? What's up, Ahmed? Who do you think Satoshi is? I have no idea, dude. I have no idea. Sorry, joining. What's up, Paul? What's up again? You crypto captain, new subscriber, Johan. Yeah, it's cool. Joining late, yeah, my man. So anybody have any more questions? Let's get this rolling. Like this video if you just joined, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know your questions, because as soon as the questions stop, the stream is stopping. So keep those questions coming. Come on, let's go, let's go. I'll drink some more water until I see more questions. That's a good one. Best crypto stock. Oh, by the way, any questions, whether it's crypto or not, by the way. Best crypto stock for 2023. Okay, listen to this. My theory. Meta. Everyone's talking shit about Meta. Everyone's saying that Meta's lost a lot of money. And Meta has fired, what, 20% of the people right now? But this is what everyone's doing. Now, with the amount of money that Meta's pouring into the metaverse, do you really think they're not going to succeed? The problem is everyone has a 6-month to 12-month timeline, especially in crypto. Everyone just rushes, and they don't have a 5-year to 10-year timeline. So if you have a 5 to 10-year timeline, Meta's going to be huge. So in 2023, even before maybe, it would be time to accumulate the stock. So for me, the best stock you can get is Meta, because other stocks, you can just buy the Bitcoin and the underlying asset. So that's my opinion on that. Fun question. What football team do you support? I really don't. I used to be Manchester United, mostly because my dad was, and now I'm even more because my dad's gone and I love him. Olympiacos in Greece, just because it's supposed to be like a brotherly team from Manchester United. They wear the same colors. But I don't really watch soccer unless it's like the big games. Or football. Best crypto stock for 20. Okay, already read that. What's the difference between DCA and swing trading? DCA is dollar cost averaging. So you put a specific amount of money, let's say every week, let's say, I don't know, $20. So you put $20 every week or every month, and over time, you basically, let's say 6 months, over time, it will average out to the best possible price you could have somewhere in the middle. So if you don't know the bottom or tops, if you don't know the bottom right now and you want a dollar cost average, now would be a good time to dollar cost average. Swing trading is actually waiting for the swings. It's a bit more complicated. It's kind of hard. The best thing you can do for that is, for me, look for oversold markets or massive drops. Buy. Same thing goes to the upside sell. It's just a lot easier. It's something to look at. Well, it's not a lot easier. It's just something to look at, but you need to know basic TA for that. Cool answer, man. Thank you very much. Been using the older exchanges, Bittrex, Poloniex, Kraken's great, to buy and store. Your opinion on the older but centralized exchanges? I would say that, well, I've used Bittrex in the past. I would say Kraken is a very reputable exchange. Because you've told about swing trading, yes. If you're hitting sound effects of licking, it's my puppy. I don't know if you can see him. Where is he? Oh, it's that side. You can't see him right now. He's licking his beep. How low Bitcoin can go? Any of it can go as low as it wants to. I already called the bottom, but Bitcoin can go as low as it wants to, man. You never know. I'm looking at 15.6K to 17K being the bottom range. It can go lower than that. Yeah. See, he's not. My pit bull doesn't like it going lower. He's a Doge fan as well, by the way. He loves Bitcoin. He likes Doge. That's why he's a pit bull, bullish pit bull. Meta like Sandbox or Decentraland? Neither. Sandbox and Decentraland was the answer to the other question about best gaming token. Meta would be Facebook. It's actually now called Meta, and they're getting into Metaverse. What's the best DEX for limit orders? Great question, man. I just use Uniswap, and I also use 1inch, but I mostly use Uniswap because I'm bored. So that's the only answer I can give you. I can't tell you which one's the best one because I haven't tested all of them. Do you think Sandbox can hit $15? Easy. Well, actually, let's have a look at Sandbox real quick. Give me a second here. So Sandbox price. Let's have a look at this. Okay, let's be serious here for a second. Sandbox price. Let's go coin market cap. I don't need perfect technical analysis. I just want to see it's 60 cents, right? And if you look at, it went all the way up to $7 or $6. So what, $15 is double that? Easy, dude. In the boom market, easy. I don't see why not. This is why you don't need to buy crap coins and shit coins right now and low cap coins. You can actually buy reputable cryptocurrencies. You have less chance of getting scammed or exit scammed or anything like that, or them losing, and you have the upside potential that you want, right? Do you? Thank you for the information. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Hope BNB doesn't crash. Like I should not. It shouldn't. BNB is great, and even if it does, it's already proved itself. I think it went down 90% last bear market and recovered very well. So I don't think that will happen. If it does, buy the crap out of it, depending on the recent drops, of course. I love Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I pray God they will go up to $1. Awesome, man. Not going to lie, one of the best YouTubers around, inshallah. You do great with your health journey, and we are here many years later. Yeah, thank you, man. I really appreciate you. Amen, man. Amen, man. Amen. Yeah. Thanks for answering my question. You're very welcome. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. I love doing these with you, by the way. Like this video if you got any value. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification button. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.